Dear students, we are studying halogen derivatives. In last lecture, we just started to learn the nucleophilic substitution reactions of alkyl halides. So alkyl halide, it shows various nucleophilic substitution reactions. So let's study the first reaction, and that reaction it is formation of alcohols. So alcohol can be formed by reacting alkyl halide with aqueous alkali like NaOH or KOH. So in general, the reaction is alkyl halide when it is reacted with aqueous alkali like NaOH or KOH. So here heating is required, then we can get alcohol, that is ROH, and here the byproduct it may be NaX, that is sodium halide or potassium halide. So alkyl halide on reacting with aqueous alkali like NaOH or KOH, and when reaction mixture it is heated, then alkyl halide is gets converted into alcohol. So in this reaction, halogen from alkyl halide is gets replaced by OH group. So let's study one example. When ethyl iodide, that is CH3 CH2I, it is heated with aqueous alkali like KOH, then it is gets converted into ethyl alcohol, and here the byproduct is potassium iodide. So name of this main product is ethyl alcohol, or its IUPAC name is ethanol. So you will study its naming in the next topic, and that topic is alcohol, phenols and ethers. Then let's study the second nucleophilic substitution reaction, and that reaction it is the formation of ethers. So this particular reaction it is also known as Williamson synthesis. So when alkyl halides are reacted with alcoholic sodium alkoxide, then corresponding ethers are formed, and this reaction is known as Williamson synthesis. So in this reaction, halide from alkyl halide is gets replaced by alkoxy group. So this is the alkoxy group. So to prepare ether, it is necessary to react alkyl halide with alcoholic sodium alkoxide. So sodium alkoxide it can be prepared by action of sodium on alcohol. Let's see this reaction. So to prepare ether, alkyl halide is reacted with alcoholic sodium alkoxide, and this alcoholic sodium alkoxide, it can be prepared by carrying out the reaction between alcohol and sodium metal. So when alcohol and sodium metal it is reacted with each other, then there will be the formation of sodium alkoxide takes place with the liberation of hydrogen gas. Let's study one example. When methyl chloride is reacted with alcoholic sodium alkoxide or sodium ethoxide. So this is the sodium ethoxide, and when reaction mixture it is heated, then we get ether, and that ether is CH3OC2H5. Its name is ethyl methyl ether, and the byproduct form it is the NaCl. So name of this ether is ethyl methyl ether. Then the next reaction is formation of esters, or it is also called as reaction of alkyl halide with silver salt of fatty acids. So in this reaction, alkyl halides are reacted with silver salt of fatty acid. So silver salt of fatty acid, it having the formula RCOO O minus and Ag plus. So this is the formation of silver salt of fatty acid, or it is also called as silver carboxylate. So when alkyl halide is reacted with silver carboxylate, then it gets converted into esters RCOO and here R, and the byproduct form it is the precipitate of silver halide. So in this way formation of esters takes place. So let's study one reaction. When methyl chloride is heated with alcoholic silver acetate. So silver acetate having the formation CH3 C double bond O, here O minus and Ag plus. So this is the alcoholic silver acetate. So when methyl chloride is heated with alcoholic silver acetate, then we get this particular ester, that is CH3 C double bond O, here O, here CH3, and the byproduct form is the precipitate of AgCl. So this ester having the name methyl acetate. It having the name methyl acetate. So in such reactions, halogen from alkyl halide gets replaced by ester group. Halogen from alkyl halide gets replaced by ester group, that is C double bond O R group. So after finishing formation of ester, now we are going to study the next nucleophilic substitution reaction, and that reaction is formation of primary amines. So primary amine formation, or it is also called as ammonolysis, or it is also called as reaction with alcoholic ammonia. So let's study formation of primary amines. So when alkyl halide is reacted with, excess of alcoholic ammonia. So this alcoholic ammonia, it is taken in the excess. So when alkyl halide is reacted with excess of alcoholic ammonia, and when reaction mixture, it is boiled under pressure, then there will be the formation of primary amines, that is RNH2, and here the byproduct form, it is the HX, that is hydrogen halide. So in this reaction, halide of alkyl halide gets replaced by amino group, that is NH2 group. So reaction is also known as Hofmann's reaction, or it is also called as ammonolysis of alkyl halide. Let's study one example. So when methyl iodide is reacted with excess of alcoholic ammonia, and when reaction mixture, it is boiled under pressure, then there will be the formation of CH3NH2 takes place, that is the methylamine, and the byproduct form, it is the HI. Then the next reaction is formation of alkyl cyanide or alkyl nitride. You please remember that alkyl cyanides are also called as alkyl nitrides. Alkyl cyanides having the general formula RCN. In between carbon and nitrogen, there is the triple bond. So when alkyl halide is reacted with alcoholic potassium cyanide, so when reaction mixture, it is heated, then there will be the formation of alkyl cyanide takes place, and the byproduct form, it is the potassium halide. So in this reaction, halogen from alkyl halide gets replaced by CN group or cyano group. Let's study one example. When methyl chloride is reacted with alcoholic potassium cyanide, and when reaction mixture, it is boiled or heated, then there will be the formation of methyl cyanide takes place, and the byproduct form, it is the KCl. So after studying the formation of alkyl cyanide, we are going to study the next reaction, and that reaction, it is the formation of alkyl isocyanide. So alkyl isocyanide having the general formula RNC. So let's study formation of alkyl isocyanide. When alkyl halide is reacted with alcoholic silver cyanide, in our reaction we are reacting alkyl halide with alcoholic potassium cyanide. At that time there will be the formation of alkyl cyanide takes place, and here when alkyl halide is reacted with alcoholic silver cyanide, and when reaction mixture it is again heated or boiled, then there will be the formation of alkyl isocyanide takes place. So alkyl isocyanide having the formula RNC, and the byproduct form, it is the precipitate of silver halide. So in this reaction, X from alkyl halide gets replaced by isocyanide group, that is NC. This is the isocyanide group. Let's study one example. When ethyl bromide is reacted with alcoholic silver cyanide, and when reaction mixture is heated, then there will be the formation of ethyl isocyanide takes place. So this is the ethyl isocyanide, and here the byproduct form, it is the precipitate of silver bromide. So here we will stop. Thank you.